Prime Minister Narendra Modi reciprocated Donald Trump's sentiment, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav is echoing what Prime Minister Modi has said. Union Minister said, Prime Minister framed the policies for our entire country. Prime Minister Modi always puts the Indian people first. India-US ties will always remain positive.
मिडिल क्लास फैमिलीज को उनको सेफगार्ड करने का ध्यान में रख के एक ओवरऑल एक ऐसी कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव पॉलिसी फ्रेमवर्क प्रधानमंत्री जी ने इन 11 वर्षों में रखा है जो हमने 50-60 वर्षों में कभी नहीं देखा था। उसके कारण विश्व भर में भारत के प्रति एक नया ट्रस्ट है। ये उसी का परिणाम स्वरूप है जिस इस बहुत ही कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव, बहुत ही वेल थॉट थ्रू फॉरेन पॉलिसी और उसका एग्जीक्यूशन उसका रिजल्ट है कि आज सारी दुनिया का कॉन्फिडेंस है। और यूएस बहुत बड़ी डेमोक्रेसी है, भारत विश्व की मदर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी है। इन दोनों डेमोक्रेसीज के बीच में अच्छा रिलेशन रहना स्वाभाविक ही है।
My colleague Milan is now joining me on the story. Milan, we are now seeing it was Prime Minister Narendra Modi earlier who said that US and India, both of them have good relations and strategic partnership. We are seeing Ashwini Vaishnav also echoing the same thing, saying for Prime Minister, the country comes first.
Well, that's right, because Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the way the India-US relations are being reciprocated at the moment, Ashwini Vaishnav, the minister in the union government, is saying that it is behind that the foreign policy of India, which has always put the Indian people first. And of course, that is the sentiment that is being echoed by the Prime Minister as well. Trump, in his statements, has also said that he and the Prime Minister have had his moments, and of course he said that Modi will always be his friend. They get along very well, and therefore the Prime Minister of India has also warmly reciprocated that US-India partnership will remain steadfast, strategically important and strong and positive, and that is the kind of sentiment that would benefit both the economies. One, the big economy, which is the USA, and other, Ashwini Vaishnav says, the mother of democracies in the world, which is India. And therefore the two democracies have to come together to make sure that the economies of both countries are on a steadfast pace. Of course, India has a big voice in the global south, and not just the global south anymore, but the entire world. And where we see that India is continuously engaging with the US. The US tariff talks are also ongoing, and certainly this is leading to a positive outcome for both the countries that are supreme powers in their own making. India at the moment is engaging continuously with the US, but the message is clear that India engages with other countries on its own terms there. Aishwarya?
Thank you, Milan, giving us all those details. Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnav also echoing what Prime Minister Modi said.